So, I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The topic I'm going to take is reliability versus safety, failures, and errors. For the subject software testing and automation. So, reliability versus safety. So, the issues involved in this hardware errors, software errors, fault versus errors. We'll see one by one. So, computer failure, what may be the causes? It may be the faulty design or sloppy implementation, careless or insufficiently trained users, poor user interfaces, hardware or software malfunctions, specification errors, scope or application inconsistency. So, the computer user perspective is you should understand the limitations of the computers. What is the need for proper training, need for responsible use, so difference between good products and bad products. What are the limitations of computers? First, you have to understand. So, they said there are certain things that the computer, the existing configuration, cannot able to do. So, you have to have the proper training for operating the software, or you will be learning the software. So, you have to be responsible for how to use this. So, you will be able to distinguish between the good products and as well as the bad ones. So, you have to study the computer failures and what may be the ethics involved in this. So, how to educate the members of society perspectives. So, help us to evaluate the reliability and safety of various computer applications. So, you have to educate them, help to evaluate the computer knowledge. So, what may be the categories of failures? The problems for individuals. So, system failure that affect the large number of people or cost large amounts of money. So, problems in safety critical applications. This may be the causes categories of failures. So, what may be the problems with an individual? Billing errors. We will billing the for the supermarket. It will be doing the billing. If the design or implementation of the program may be fault, or not enough care is taken, the input error may be there. Then not enough testing is done. The reasonable range may be vary. Not enough training will be given for the individuals. Database accuracy problems. The information in the database should be accurate, but the problem is if it's not accurate, then automatic entering of the information mistakes can be overlooked. Then copies of incorrect information can be sent to other systems not knowledgeable enough about the system. The causes may be the large population. Most of our financial interactions are with strangers. The automated processing in without the human common sense. So, overconfidence in the accuracy of the data. So, probably the accuracy of the data will not always be correct. Lack of account compliance. System failures. Lot of money. It's dollar in terms of dollars. Then a complete shutdown of the basic services. So, what it may have the adverse effect in the areas like communication, business and financial systems, and militaries. The data is very sensitive and it should be secured always. So, why this happens? Not enough testing, technical difficulties will be there, poor management decisions, dishonesty in promoting the system and responding to the problem. So, you have to analyze where you are getting the requirements analysis itself, we have to find out. So, if the problem arises, if the data is missing, if the control statement is missing, so it's not undeclared, so the array is crypto out of scope, like that, the problem we have to address. Communication, phone service, or the pager will be having phones 911, communication for airports, so the landing will be the problem. So, cellular phones, business and financial system, stock exchange, then automated television, contest by Pepsi, too many winning tickets issued. What will happen? The company will face a lot of dollars loss. So, destroying business, loss of sales, incorrect information affects the business, dissatisfied customers, incorrect prices, loss of data. Military, data management, weapon system design, battle simulation is also affected, battle management, the command and control will not be proper, communication intelligence will be missing, nuclear war. So not enough testing, technical difficulties, poor management decisions, dishonesty in promoting the system and responding to problems. So the Denver airport management system, outbound luggage checked at the ticket counter is less than 10 minutes. So if it is for an automated car or tracks, the connecting flights, so laser scan tracks thousand cars. The problem encounter car crashes each other at the intersection. The luggage misrouted, needed cars were idle or put to rest. Specific problems, real world, the scanners got dirty, then all knocked out of alignments, software rerouting of the car in the waiting area. That is ideal. The causes, the time is wasted, not enough debug time, poor management, unrealistic plans. Safety critical applications. It has an adverse effect in the military application, power plants, aircrafts, trains, and automobiles. Thank you. Thanks for the patience.